Have you ever wondered how to create captivating content on YouTube without uttering a single word? Well, in today's video, we're diving into 15 incredible YouTube channel ideas where you can let your creativity shine without ever needing to use your voice. Whether you're camera shy, want to reach a global audience, or simply prefer the power of visuals, these channel ideas are a game changer. But before we dive in, don't forget to show some love by hitting that like button, subscribing to the channel, and ringing that notification bell. Let's jump right in. 1. Life hacks. Life hacks, a juggernaut in the world of YouTube content, require no spoken words to create a massive impact. Take, for example, the 5-Minute Crafts DIY channel, a behemoth in the YouTube space that has garnered over 20 million subscribers without uttering a single word in their videos. But here's the beauty of this idea: you don't have to be the one demonstrating these ingenious life hacks. You can outsource the creative process by commissioning someone else to devise these clever solutions, while you provide the financial support. 2. Cooking. Cooking is a realm where the magic of spoken words isn't a prerequisite. Instead, you can let the visuals and text on the screen do the talking. Begin by presenting a list of the necessary ingredients, and from there, the possibilities are endless. You can film yourself in action, document someone else's culinary talents, or even collaborate with skilled chefs for hire through platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Take inspiration from channels like Tasty Recipes, boasting over 1 million subscribers and racking up more than 3 million monthly views for their cooking videos. What's truly fascinating is that the majority of their content unfolds without a single spoken word. 3. Piano videos. Unlock the world of enchanting piano videos where your voice remains a silent spectator. You can opt for a classic approach by filming yourself playing the piano while maintaining an air of mystery by concealing your face. Alternatively, embrace modern technology to bring your melodies to life. Enter Synthesia, a versatile software that can turn your musical visions into captivating visuals. With Synthesia at your fingertips, you can create mesmerizing piano videos without ever having to step in front of the camera. Record your screen using software like OBS, and you're all set to craft beautiful, voiceless piano performances. 4. ASMR. Ever heard of ASMR? It's a captivating realm where people immerse themselves in videos for the sheer pleasure of sounds and tingles. Take, for instance, the Alexa ASMR channel, boasting over 100,000 dedicated followers. Their content, spanning from keyboard cleaning to seemingly random triggers, doesn't involve any spoken words. It's all about the art of auditory delight. ASMR videos can feature the most unexpected yet oddly satisfying sounds, captivating a dedicated audience. 5. Street food videos. If you're a food enthusiast with a penchant for adventure, street food videos could be your avenue to YouTube stardom. Whether you have a bustling street food market nearby or are willing to travel for culinary exploration, this niche offers a feast of opportunities. Consider Foodie Boy, a channel that boasts a whopping 2 million subscribers and a staggering 5 million monthly views. It's a testament to the widespread appeal of capturing the essence of street food culture. 6. Music. Music transcends words, and on YouTube, it can be a powerful and voiceless medium for artistic expression. Instead of simply re-uploading existing music, which is a big no-no, you can take a more creative approach. If you're a musician or a skilled DJ, this niche is tailor-made for you. Take a cue from Tim Henson. His channel, exclusively dedicated to music with no spoken commentary, boasts over 1 million subscribers. Not musically inclined? Fear not. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are treasure chests of musical talent. Collaborate with composers, musicians, and producers to explore a plethora of music genres and create captivating content. 7. City walkthroughs. Ever considered becoming a virtual tour guide? City walkthroughs are an ingenious way to explore new horizons on YouTube without uttering a single word. These videos serve as invaluable resources for travelers seeking a glimpse of their next destination. Take ProWalk Tours, for example, boasting over 567,000 subscribers. Their silent city explorations have struck a chord with viewers worldwide. 8. Gardening. Gardening, a time-honored passion, can flourish into a captivating YouTube channel without a spoken narrative. If you have a garden of your own, you're already equipped to showcase your green thumb in action. capture the beauty of planting, nurturing, and harvesting. Alternatively, collaborate with fellow gardening enthusiasts who can lend their expertise and green spaces for your content. Gardening videos, believe it or not, are garnering hundreds of thousands, if not millions, of views. The fascination with nurturing plant life is universal, making it a fertile ground for YouTube success. Loving these ideas so far? If so, I encourage you to show your support by giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing to our channel, and ringing that notification bell. Now, let's dive right back into the content. 9. Drawing. Are you passionate about art? Well, drawing tutorials and speed drawing videos can captivate audiences on YouTube, and the best part is, you don't need to utter a single word. Take the Junie Art channel, for example, with over 880,000 subscribers. Their content solely consists of painting tutorial, proving that art truly speaks for itself. Speed drawing is another avenue to explore within this genre. Record yourself sketching specific objects, then accelerate the process to create mesmerizing time-lapse videos. These fast-paced creations have a knack for amassing millions of views on YouTube. 10. Drone footage. If you have access to a drone or know someone who does, you can unlock breathtaking vistas and share them with the world on YouTube. Fly over picturesque natural landscapes, cities, and other intriguing locations that pique people's curiosity. What's astonishing is that many drone flying videos can garner hundreds of thousands, or even millions, of views. The sky's the limit when it comes to the beauty you can capture from above. 11. Gaming walkthroughs. Gaming is a colossal realm on YouTube, and you don't need to use your voice to get in on the action. A gaming walkthrough video, often referred to as a let's play or walkthrough, is a type of video content where a gamer plays through a video game while providing commentary, guidance, and insights on the game. However, before embarking on your gaming journey, be sure to check the copyright guidelines for each game you plan to play to ensure that you have the rights to record and share it for profit. 12. Technology tutorials. Unlock the world of technology tutorials, where screen recording becomes your silent teaching tool. With free software like OBS Studio, you can effortlessly demonstrate how to use various software applications or computer apps. It's astounding how many views these videos can garner. Consider Tech and Lifestyle, a channel boasting over 112,000 subscribers, where speech is conspicuously absent in all of his videos. He specializes in demonstrating tasks like how to replace a plug fuse, how to pair an Xbox controller, and he even shows you how to change a watch battery. 13. House tours. House tours are a fascinating genre on YouTube, and many of them don't involve spoken commentary. People love to explore different homes and get a feel for various styles and layouts. Here's an approach. Consider posting an ad in your city, seeking a real estate agent with access to a variety of homes who's willing to collaborate. In exchange, you can include links to the house listings in your video descriptions. By touring homes without uttering a word, you could potentially build a substantial YouTube following. Plus, it can be a genuinely enjoyable venture. 14. 360-degree videos. Step into the immersive world of 360-degree videos, where viewers can explore scenes from every angle. Check out 3D VR 360 Videos, a channel producing stunning animated 360-degree content with over 1 million members. Don't worry if you're not an animation expert, you can easily find skilled animators on platforms like Upwork to create captivating 360-degree videos for you. Alternatively, invest in a 360-degree camera like the GoPro Max and record various events in full 360-degree splendor. Let your viewers immerse themselves in a new dimension of content. 15. Unboxing videos. Here's one that might sound a bit crazy, but it works. Unboxing videos are a phenomenon, and the relaxing end is a prime example. With over 9 million subscribers, this channel's primary focus is unboxing various items, and they do it all without saying a word. The allure of technology unboxings, in particular, can yield remarkable results. So if you're intrigued by the idea of unveiling new gadgets and products in front of an eager audience, this silent yet intriguing niche could be your path to YouTube stardom. Incredible, right? These 15 YouTube channel ideas prove that you can create captivating content without ever needing to use your voice. Which one resonates with you the most, and what silent YouTube journey will you embark on? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more creative content ideas. Thanks for joining us today.